Samsung is going to revert some decisions. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup prices are almost final now. We have some similar spec sheet for all Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup and some delays in the launch of Samsung Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is going to launch on 9th of Feb 2022 at 10 AM Eastern Time, and people were concerned about the prices of all the three models, as leaks were suggested that we may see some price jump of almost $100 for each model because of chip shortage. But now a leaker, John Prosser, talking in the video about his resources and confirming that Samsung is not going to change the prices of all three models. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what do you think about the price. So according to him, S22 will cost $799, S22 Plus will cost $999, and the S22 Ultra will cost $1199. Obviously for base model, and these prices are similar to its predecessor, the Galaxy S21 lineup. Samsung is going to delay the launch of the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. The leaks suggest that there is some real issues going on. As John Prosser said, Samsung take back the marketing material from carriers as it was given before. That is why we may see S22 and the S22 Plus later on March 11, 2022, and these are leaks and we don't know if that's true or not. The Galaxy S22 Ultra lineup pictures reveal stated that all three models power with HDR10 Plus 2x dynamic AMOLED display. There is only a big difference in cameras, as Galaxy S22 Ultra is the only model who will power the 108 megapixel main lens, and the S22 and the S22 Plus powers 50 megapixel main lens. If that's all true, we may see S22 Ultra on 9th of Feb and S22 and the S22 Plus on 11 March, but with the same price as its predecessor. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what do you think about the price. I'll see you next time. Till next time, peace out.